Smart gardening made simple, modern tools that grow better. Gardens with less effort. Most gardeners work harder than they need to. Today, smart gardening tools can help you grow healthier plants, save water, and avoid costly mistakes. In the next few minutes, you will learn how AI garden planners, soil sensors, and automated watering systems work together to create an efficient, modern garden that practically manages itself. Gardening has always been part skill and part instinct. For generations, people learned through trial and error. That wisdom still matters. What has changed is our ability to measure what plants actually need. Smart gardening tools do not replace experience. They support it. Instead of guessing when to water or fertilize, modern tools provide real data. This means fewer mistakes, healthier plants, and more consistent results. For many gardeners, especially those with busy schedules, smart tools turn gardening from a daily worry into a reliable system. AI garden design apps help plan a garden before the first seed goes into the ground. These tools analyze sunlight, spacing, climate, and plant compatibility. You can input your yard size, location, and goals. The app suggests layouts that reduce overcrowding, improve airflow, and maximize harvests. This is especially helpful for raised beds, small yards, or container gardens. The real value is avoiding common beginner mistakes. Poor spacing, wrong plant placement, and ignoring sun exposure can ruin a season. AI design tools catch those problems early, saving time, money, and frustration. Healthy soil is the backbone of every successful garden. Soil sensors measure moisture, temperature, and sometimes nutrient levels directly at root depth. Instead of watering on a schedule, you water when the soil actually needs it. This prevents overwatering, root rot, and wasted resources. It also protects plants during heat waves and dry periods. Many experienced gardeners find that soil sensors confirm what they already suspect, while new gardeners gain confidence quickly. The result is steadier growth and stronger plants. Automated irrigation systems connect to soil sensors or weather data to deliver water only when necessary. Drip irrigation and smart controllers reduce water use while keeping plants evenly hydrated. This is especially valuable for vegetable gardens, fruit trees, and raised beds. Once set up correctly, automated systems free up time. You are no longer tied to daily watering routines. The garden stays consistent even when you are away. This reliability is one reason smart irrigation appeals to many gardeners who value efficiency and long-term results. The real power comes from combining these tools. AI planning sets the layout, soil sensors monitor conditions, automated irrigation responds in real time. Together, they create a system that adapts to weather, seasons, and plant growth stages. This approach reduces stress and improves yields without constant hands-on management. Smart gardening is not about laziness. It is about precision, consistency, and respect for resources. The best gardens still rely on observation, patience, and care. Technology simply sharpens those skills. Experienced gardeners use smart tools to validate decisions. New gardeners use them to learn faster. Either way, the goal remains the same: healthy soil, strong plants, and steady harvests. Smart tools help gardeners focus on enjoying the process instead of fighting preventable problems. Smart gardening technology is not a trend. It is a practical evolution. By using the right tools, you can grow more with less effort while staying connected to the natural rhythms of your garden. If you found this helpful, take a moment to like the video and subscribe. Join the family of growers who believe in learning smarter, growing better, and enjoying the journey season after season.